Let us see the first problem in today's class. Here it is given, if A is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, f maps A to be a surjection defined by f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1, then find B. So here A is given as -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. F maps A to B. F of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. We have f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. You have to find f of -2, f of -1, f of 0, f of 1, f of 2. F of -2 is -2 whole square plus -2 plus 1. That is 4 minus 2 plus 1 is 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. F of -1 is equal to -1 whole square minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 plus 1, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, f of -1 is equal to 1. Next, f of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. F of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 7. So here B, set B is equal to 1, 3, 7. This is the B set. B set is what? Codomain, the codomain set, that is the range, that is 1, 3 and 7. If it is repeated twice, you have to write only once here. So set B is equal to 1, 3, 7. If you are given, if set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and f maps A to R is a function defined by f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1, and find the range of f. So here f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. You have to find the range of this function. So put values from 1 to 4. F of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. This is 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, you have 1 by 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 3, that is 2 plus 1 by 3 equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1. F of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, which is 9 minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 4. Similarly, f of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. It is equal to 16 minus 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 is 5. 16 minus 4 is 12 plus 1, that is 13 by 5. So range of f is equal to f of A, that is equal to 1 by 2, 1, 7 by 4, 13 by 5. This is what is the range of f. Here first we are putting, when we are putting 1 you are getting 1 by 2. If you are putting 2 you are getting 3 by 3 which is 1. If you are putting 3 you are getting 7 by 4. If you are putting 4 you are getting 13 by 5. So the range of f of a is equal to 1 by 2 1, 7 by 4, 13 by 5. Our next problem for today, if g is equal to 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 7 is a function from a to b, that is a value is 1 2 3 4, b value is 1 3 5 7. If this is given by the formula g of x is equal to ax plus b, find a and b. From this what is given, g of 1 is 1, g of 2 is 3, g of 3 is 5, g of 4 is 7. G of 1 is 1, g of 2 is 3, g of 3 is 5, g of 4 is 7. But what is g of x, ax plus b? So g of 1, here we can write, since g of x is equal to ax plus b, g of 1 is equal to a into 1 plus b, that is a plus b, which is equal to 1. G of 2 is equal to a into 2 plus b, which is equal to 2a plus b, which is equal to 3. G of 2 is 3, g of 1 is 1. Solve 1 and 2. What do you have? A plus b is equal to 1, 2a plus b is equal to 3. Subtract. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus b minus b cancel. A minus 2a minus a, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Minus minus gets cancelled, a is equal to 2. Next you have a plus b is equal to 1, a value we got as 2, 2 plus b is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 minus 2, b is equal to minus 1. Therefore a value is 2, b value is minus 1. That's about this problem. In our next problem we have the function r to r defined by f of x is equal to 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2. Then show that f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equal to 2 into f of x into f of y. F from r to r is a function where f of x is equal to 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2. F of x plus y will be, wherever you have x, put x plus y. 3 power x plus y plus 3 power minus of x plus y by 2. This can be split as 3 power x into 3 power y, and this can be split as 3 power minus x into 3 power minus y by 2. F of x minus y will be 3 power x minus y plus 3 power minus of x minus y by 2. So you can split this as 3 power x into 3 power minus y plus 3 power minus x into 3 power y by 2. F of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equal to, you are adding these two, this one and this one you are adding. So what do you get? 3 power x into 3 power y plus 3 power minus x into 3 power minus y plus 3 power x into 3 power minus y plus 3 power minus x into 3 power y. Take 3 power x common from these two terms. If you take 3 power x common, you have 3 power y plus 3 power minus y plus 3 power minus x. If you take common, you have 3 power minus y plus 3 power y whole divided by 2. From these two you can take 3 power y and 3 power minus y common. If you take 3 power y plus 3 power minus y common, you have 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Here you have 1 2, here you have 1 2. That is 2 into, this part is f of y, this part is f of x. So that is equal to 2 into f of x into f of y. Hence proved. Here this is the next problem that we have. The function f maps r to r is defined by f of x is equal to 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2. Then show that f of 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus f of x. f of 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus f of x. You have to prove, this is what you have to prove. And also you have to find the value of f of 1 by 4 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4. F of x value is 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2. F of 1 minus x is 4 power 1 minus x by 4 power 1 minus x plus 2. This is of the form a power m minus n, which is a power m by a power n, that is 4 by 4 power x by 4 by 4 power x plus 2. Take 4 power x up, you have 4 by 4 power x plus 4 plus 2 into 4 power x, 4 power x cancel. You have 4 by 4 plus 2 into 4 power x. Add and subtract 2 into 4 power x in the numerator. 2 into 4 power x minus 2 into 4 power x. So here if you divide this, you will get 1. 1 minus 2 into 4 power x by 4 plus 2 into 4 power x. Take 2 common. If you take 2 common, you have 1 minus 4 power x by 2 plus 4 power x. 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2, this is nothing but f of x. So that is equal to 1 minus f of x. Now you have to find the value of this. Consider f of 1 by 4 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4. This can be as f of 1 by 4 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2 plus f of 1 minus 1 by 4. This is equal to f of 1 by 4 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2 plus 1 minus f of 1 by 4 plus f of 1 by 4 minus f of 1 by 4 cancel. You have 1 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2, that is 1 plus 2 into, what is f of 1 by 2? 4 power 1 by 2 by 4 power 1 by 2 plus 2. So that is nothing but 1 plus 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2. This is root of 4 is 2. Root of 4 is 2 here. So you get 1 plus 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2. 1 plus 4 by 4, which is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So this is what you have. The value of f of 1 by 4 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4 is 2. That's about this problem.